Hello friends. So for today we're going to work on step 4. In order to complete step 4, you should have already completed all the way up to step 3. And step 3 should have left you with all white on top and 4 colored tees. I have an orange tee, a green tee, a red tee, and a blue tee. So my cube is ready to start step 4. For the step 4 algorithm, you're going to flip your cube upside down so that the yellow face is oriented towards the top. This is your new top of the cube. Next, for this algorithm, I like to tell a story, and I call it the mommy, baby, daddy story, or the mommy, baby, daddy algorithm. So you should be able to see all of it right now, and I'm going to start over here at the top and explain my story to you. So we can see that there is a family here. So that's the mom, this is the dad, and that's the baby. The baby's face is like its dad. So the dad has a green face, the baby has a green face. But the baby's hair is like its mom. So the mom has red hair, the baby has red hair. You begin your algorithm with the baby standing on its dad's head. First, the baby runs away from its mom, and then the mom goes up the stairs. The baby goes back to its dad, stands on its dad's shoulders. The mom goes down the stairs. The baby goes to its mom. So over here, you had your cube oriented with the dad side facing you. Now you have your cube oriented with the mom facing you. On this one, the baby goes to the mom. The baby is now standing on its mom's head, asks its mom, "Can I please have a drink of milk?" Its mom says yes, but your dad has to get it. The dad goes up the stairs. The milk comes, you turn the lid. Maybe it has a cap. You have to twist and turn the cap off. And then finally, the baby drinks the milk down. Gulp, gulp, gulp. And it should put your pieces into the correct place. Here's the cube. And I have a piece right here. This is a baby piece. These middle pieces are the baby pieces. So I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to move it so it's matching with its dad. So remember, the baby's face is like his dad. So that means its dad is orange and its mom is green. So I'll move this to here. The baby's standing on top of his dad, and its mom is the green side. Baby runs away from mom. The mom side goes up the stairs. Baby goes back to the dad. Mom goes down the stairs. Baby goes to its mom, so we change our orientation. We're not going to look at the dad anymore. We're going to look at the mom side now. And now while we're looking at the mom side, the baby asks, "Can I please have a drink of milk?" The mom says yes. Ask your dad. Remember, the dad is orange. Dad goes up the stairs. Turn the lid. There's all the milk. Baby drinks it down. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Now you can see that my piece is in the correct position, touching the green side and touching the orange side. Look for another piece. Here's another one. So here's another baby. And we're looking for babies that don't have yellow hair and do not have yellow faces right now, because the yellow face will be the last face that we're completing. So for this one, the dad is red, the mom is blue. I'm going to move it to the red side, that's its dad, and it's going to run away from its mom, which is the blue side. Baby runs away from its mom, mom goes up the stairs. Baby goes back to its dad, the mom goes down the stairs. Now the baby goes to its mom, so we're not going to look at the dad anymore, we're flipping it. Now we're looking at the mom. Now, the baby wants its milk, the dad goes up the stairs, and then turn the bottle of milk and drink the milk down. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Now let's look, do we have any more babies? Aha, here's another baby, and it's already standing on its dad's shoulders. You can see the dad is red, the mom is green. Baby runs away from its mom. Mom goes up the stairs. Baby goes back to the dad. Mom goes down the stairs. Baby goes to his mom. Now we're looking at the mom too. "Can I have my milk?" Yes, your dad has to get it. Dad goes up the stairs. There's the milk. Turn the lid and drink it down. Gulp, gulp, gulp. So now I have 2 rows of green, 2 rows of orange, not quite 2 rows of blue, and 2 rows of red. So I can see that this piece is not in the correct spot. There must be one more. Aha, here it is. This is the piece that we need because this piece is orange and blue, and I can see that I want it to go right here. The orange and blue piece needs to go right here. So same thing again. I need to put this baby on its dad's shoulders for its head, standing on its dad's head. Its mom is blue. Baby has blue hair. Mom is blue. Baby runs away from mom. Mom goes up the stairs. Baby goes back to its dad. Mom goes down the stairs. Baby goes to its mom. Change your orientation, change your view. There we go. Now, dad goes up the stairs because the baby's thirsty to get the milk, and then turn the bottle, and baby drinks it down. Now, I have 2 rows of blue, 2 rows of red, 2 rows of green, 2 rows of orange, and I still have all white on the bottom. That is a finished step 4.